Hey, many times when you get out in the sun you feel energized and revitalized. And talking about energy, where does energy originally come from? Where does the energy from your food, your fat, your carbohydrates, your proteins, where does it all come from? The origin of all energy comes from, yes, the sun, in the form of solar energy. So if it wasn't for solar energy, the planet would die. Because what happens is the solar energy hits the earth, and then it's absorbed by these beautiful vegetation, plants, trees, bushes, and they have the ability to convert solar energy into chemical energy via the process of photosynthesis, which you may remember when you were back in grade 12 or grade 10 biology. And those beautiful plants turn the solar energy into chemical energy, and that chemical energy is stored in the form of fruit, vegetables and grains, and in there you have carbohydrate and fats. So now we have chemical energy, solar energy converted into chemical energy, which is stored in our food from the ground. And then we'll have our beautiful animals, and they may eat the fruit and the veggies and the grains. There you go, my little piggies and my llamas. And then they eat it, then maybe the humans then eat the animals, yes, and we eat the animals and we get that, yes, the pigs are fighting over the apple. Then we eat that and we use that energy. So we can directly eat the fruit and veggies and get the fat and carbohydrate, or we can eat the animal that eats the fruit and veggies and we get it in the form of protein and fat. And then the body, ourselves, our own body, has the ability to break those molecules apart from the fruit and veggies or from the meats, and we break it apart and then we convert that energy from chemical energy into mechanical energy, which drives the muscles and our bodily systems, and electrical energy that drives our nervous system. So it all comes from solar energy converted by the plants into chemical energy. We eat what the plants produce, the fruits, grains and cereals or veggies, and we convert that into mechanical energy or electrical energy, or the animals intervene and they eat the fruits, grains and veggies. Then we eat the animals and we break their tissue down in the form of proteins and fats, and we break that down into mechanical and electrical energy. So look after the sun, look after the trees, because if it wasn't for them, the sun and the vegetation, then we wouldn't be able to get the energy, because they're the converters. So we can use it and convert it into mechanical energy and electrical energy for our life. So that's where our energy comes from. So smile at the sun and there'll be no cow poo.